Now, on the day of Qiyamah, there is a major book that comes as well, which is known as Kitabun Mubeen and Imamun Mubeen. Now, the Imamun Mubeen in the Quran does not mean Imam Ali salamullah alayhi. It doesn't. We know this for a fact. Yes? It doesn't mean Imam Ali. Surah Yasin was probably revealed in the Meccan phase, more than likely because of the themes inside Surah Yasin. Imam Ali was still in his tender years. وَكُلَّ شَيْءٍ أَحْصَيْنَاهُ فِي إِمَامٍ مُبِينٍ. If only we were to look at the verse accurately. إِنَّا نَحْنُ نُحْيِي الْمَوْتَى وَنَكْتُبُ مَا قَدَّمُوا وَآثَارُهُم. We revive the dead and we write down what they have sent forth and what they have left behind. وَكُلَّ شَيْءٍ أَحْصَيْنَاهُ فِي إِمَامٍ مُبِينٍ. And every single thing we have gathered in Imam al-Mubeen. That's not a person. That's an entity that keeps records. And how do we know that it's an entity that keeps collective records? يَوْمَ نَدْعُو كُلَّ أُنَاسٍ بِإِمَامِهِمْ. On the day when we call on to every group of people with their imam. Can you see this? This is not an imam as a person. Look at the verse after. فَمَنْ أُوتِيَ كِتَابَهُ بِيَمِينِهِ. Then the one who has been given his book in his right hand, فَأُولَٰئِكَ يَقْرَؤُونَ كِتَابَهُمْ وَلَا يُظْلَمُونَ فَتِيلًا. They are the people who will read their books and they will not be denied or shortchanged any of their good deeds. So Imam and Kitab al-Mubeen and Imam al-Mubeen, وَيَوْمَ نَدْعُو كُلُّ أُنَاسٍ بِإِمَامِهِمْ. This Imam is an entity that keeps record of a whole group. And individually then they will be given their deeds of works that they will have done. So there's an imam for every single nation, every single group, and they will be called on with those imams. So Imam al-Mubeen and Kitab al-Mubeen Kitab al-Mubeen we all know, but Imam al-Mubeen and the imam with which we will be called on the day of Qiyamah will not be a person. Even the prophets, salamullah alayhim ajma'in, will be called to their imam. According to this verse, the prophets and the imams, together with their people, will be called towards their imam. Imam is that great entity that will keep every record of everything that we are doing.